Hello friends, welcome back to Shubham Pearls. In the session of live video series, today we have come up with long guttu poosalu. So let's wait for some more time, let people join. Then we'll start our video live. This is our first design, matte polish, Kempu and uncut stones, long design of guttu poosalu. These are earrings. The price is 3,600 rupees. Free shipping across India. You can take a screenshot if you want to order. Reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. Next design. This is our second design. AD stone multicolored golden polish. These are earrings, pushback. Price is 2,400 rupees. Someone wants to order, they can take a screenshot. The price is 2,400 rupees. I hope the video is clear. There is no disturbance. Coming to our next design. Let me show the earrings first. These are the earrings as per the drop. And this is long guttu poosalu. The price is again 2,400 rupees, free shipping across India. Someone wants to order, they can take a screenshot. Bhavya garu, we are telling the price, madam. So need not to display. I am telling the price simultaneously. Next design. Peacock design. Price is 2,800 rupees, free shipping across India. Golden polish. Someone wants to order, they can take a screenshot. Screw back earrings. These are the earrings, and this is the design, long design in guttu poosalu. Price is 2,800 rupees. Someone wants to order, they can take a screenshot. Reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. This is one more beautiful piece. I have seen the same design in many of silver jewelry stores or online pages, so you can find the same piece. Kempu stone, golden polish. Vaishnavi garu, we don't deal much in matte jewelry, ma'am. We deal more in golden polish. Price is 3,900 rupees for this, and these are the earrings for it. golden polish, Kempu stone, beautiful piece. Going to the next design. Wow, this is also beautiful one. See, Kempu stone with AD and all pearl bandai. These are the earrings. The price is again 3,900 rupees for this set. Let's move to the next design. Someone wants to take a screenshot, they can take a screenshot. The price is 3,900. This is one more design. Peacock and mango design. Price is 2,400 rupees. Free shipping across India. These are earrings, screw type earrings. Someone wants to order, they can take a screenshot, reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. Price is 2,400 rupees. Nikki Meera garu, you can check our Instagram IGTV. Last 2 days back we have updated all the Vaddanams. We have a keyword also, ma'am. SPJ Vaddanam is the keyword. You can search in Instagram. Single pictures you will find. So whatever you like, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number. This is light matte polish with Kempu and uncut stones. The price is 4,500 rupees for this. And these are the earrings for that. You can take a screenshot if you want to order. Yes, ma'am, everything is available on Instagram page, ma'am. We'll share you the keywords. You can search using that and you can get all the collection that we post. The recent ones, the top ones, the mostly viewed ones. See, there's one more piece. Mayura design. Price is 2,400. Can check this. Prasanna garu, we don't have mattalu and ear martilu we don't have. Coming to the earrings. These are the earrings, screw back earrings. Price is 2,400 rupees. ये राम परिवार डिजाइन long gutta పూసలండి. Price is 3,500 rupees for the long one. See the finishing, it's golden polish, Ram Parivar design. Price is 3,500 rupees, free shipping across India. These are the earrings. So for order you can reach us on our WhatsApp number. Today's show is all about Gutta Pusalu long. So any other inquiries, please reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. Our team will be happy to serve you. Manju garu, you can check IGTV. On Saturday we have uploaded chain belts, full length video, all the designs that are available ready. This is one more very pretty. If you don't want any kind of Lakshmi or peacocks in the design, then you should not miss this piece. The price is 2,400 rupees for this. Going to the next design. This is also beautiful uncut stone set. The price is just 1,800 rupees for this long golden polish. Price 1,800 rupees only, free shipping across India for the long Gutta Pusalu, this design. Limited stock we have. Let's move on to the next design. This is very popular Namo Venkatesha design, Tirupati Balaji design, the Namam. This is with Kempu stone, all Gutta Pusalu, and these are the earrings with screw back. Price is 2,800 rupees, free shipping across India. Beautiful design, you should not miss this. I have seen this in many of silver jewelry designs. Even the pendant is seen in many designs. Price is 2,800 rupees, free shipping across India. Someone wants to book, they can reach us on our WhatsApp number. They can take a screenshot. These are the earrings. Simu garu, आपको earrings चाहिए, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number, madam. Our WhatsApp number is 9030271018. Our team will help you in finding earrings. They'll share a keyword. You can get all the collections of earrings there. You can share what you like in that. We'll ship and we'll update you the details. नेक्स्ट डिज़ाइन, वाव, ये देखिए, दिस इज नॉट टू मिस. अगर किसी को विदाउट लक्ष्मी, विदाउट पिकॉक, विदाउट एनी डिज़ाइन चाहिए तो दे शुड चेक दिस पीस. ब्यूटीफुल पीस, मेकिंग इज ऑल्सो ब्यूटीफुल. प्राइस इज 3,200 rupees for this. I'll show you clearly the design. Josna Garu, please reach us on our WhatsApp number, madam. The number is 9030 271018. We have many bridals designs. Even yesterday we have posted a live video from our store which has n number of new designs. Price is 3200 for this. These are earrings. You can take a screenshot if you want to order. Going to the next design. Same design, we have green color also. Someone wants to order green, then they can check this piece. Same price, 3200 rupees. These are the earrings. Same design in green color, Kempu stone, Pota stone. Can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030 271018. Going to the next design. Wow, this is little heavy look with mangoes and mayuras. The price is 3500 rupees. Free shipping across India. Long set. I'm showing you very clearly close-up version. Price is 3500 rupees. These are the earrings for it. Push type earrings. Someone wants to order, they can take a screenshot. Reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030 271018. Going to our next design. Check this design. Price is 2200 rupees only. Price is just 2200 rupees. Free shipping across India. Long Gutta Pusar design. AD stones and multicolored. Screw back earrings. Price is just 2200 rupees. Limited stock. Someone wants to order, they can take a screenshot, reach us on our WhatsApp number. Next design, wow, this beautiful design. Mid-length Gutta Pusar haram. Green color stones and AD stones with Lakshmi Devi design. These are the earrings. Look at the earrings. Earrings are very beautiful and golden polish. This is a close-up view of the design. Look at the stones and shine. It's beautiful. Sindhu garu, sure, and I will try to make sure the video is clear. Someone wants to order, they can take a screenshot. Price is 3800 rupees for this design. 3800 is the price. Free shipping across India. There is one more design. Beautiful piece. Price is 2400 rupees. long Guttupusal light golden shade and comes with this Chand Bali. Price is just 2,400 rupees andi. Free shipping across India. For order you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030 271018. Going to the next design. This is also beautiful peacock design. This is one more AD stone design. Price is again 2,400 rupees. Free shipping across India. Someone wants to order, they can take a screenshot. These are earrings. Clear view. So, someone wants to order, they can take a screenshot. Reach us on our WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is 9030271018. Going to the next design. Price 2950. Full Mayura design. And these are earrings with screw back earrings. Price 2950. Price is 2950 for this. Free shipping across India. Going to the next design. The price is 2,400 rupees. V-shaped, beautiful Guttupusal with floral design. Someone wants no Lakshmi design, no peacocks, no mangoes, then they can take this. Small earrings according to the design. You can take a screenshot if you want to order. Then reach us on our WhatsApp number. Sorry for the interruption. You can check this piece. This is a large design for the day. For orders, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030. Price 2,400 rupees, madam, for this. You can reach us on our number 9030271018. Thank you. We are done with the long Guttupusal designs for today.